So you just saw the old versus new side-by-side DeWalt power tools. These are the hammer drills and the impact drivers. I've had this set now for over 15 years and they've never let me down. I've worked on construction sites. I've had these particular ones fall off the roof, fall off ladders, get wet in the rain, in the mud, and they still are built tough and they still work to this day. But being 15 years old, I know that the technology has changed and the options that were given back in the day have been modified for the updated construction worker. First impressions, you can see this is the older one, this is the newer one. It is a little bit beefier, a little bit bigger, and the nice thing about it is it gives you a couple different options. So on the old one, you had a place to put a hook in if you wanted to. Same thing with the new one. I just never use it on the old one. But the old one, you only had one speed. That's it. You didn't have the choice to change the speed, but you did at least have light when you are using it. And you can see it is very aggressive and it still works out great. Now with this kit, when I first bought it, I believe there was only one battery that came with it. The new kit comes with 2 separate batteries, which is nice in case you are using them side by side. Now the new one, the battery is a 4AH POWERPACK. And on the bottom, you actually have 3 different speeds that you could choose from, which is great depending on what you're using it for. If you don't need that aggressive torque action, you could just select one and you can see it's really slowed itself down. But don't be fooled. If you need that extra power, you slide it over to 3 and it's there. Now, putting the battery on and off, super simple. And you could either be on the right or the left side with the hook, depending on what you'd like. So you just slip it there and now it's ready at your fingertips. The new one I do like because you have that ergonomic handle. It fits comfortably into my hand. The rubber is heavy duty and it just feels like it should be there without straining your fingers. Now, you do have the transmission select, whether if you're going forward or back or lock is super simple between my index finger and my thumb. And you can see that you do still have the lights on top to illuminate whatever you're working with. Pull the chuck forward, and then now you can take out the bit and replace it with another bit, a driver, whatever you're looking to do. Simply push it in, and now you're ready to work. Now here is the hammer drill. At first glance, they're very similar. The weight's even almost identical. The new one feels a little heavier, but the nice thing about the new one is that it also feels a little bit more balanced, where this feels a little bit more top heavy. Now, again, you have a spot to have a hook on your right or left side, so you could just slide it if you're right-handed or left-handed. It's gonna have that same ergonomic handle, which is made out of a very soft rubber grip that fits great in my hands. I have large hands, so again, this tool fits perfect. Your transmission select is right between your thumb and your pointer finger. On top, you're gonna be able to select between 1 and 3 speeds. It's easy to move and click into place, and it feels like it actually clicks in and it's not gonna slide. Kind of like the old one. It was a little bit sloppier when you were trying to select which speed or which option that you wanted to go into. I feel like the new one has a little bit more grab. So when you do click it into that certain speed, it feels like it's gonna stay there and it's not gonna hurt the transmission. The nice thing about this is that it is a hammer drill, just like my old one. And we have a cement block here that I'm gonna test out and show you what the difference is between the two. For this test, we're gonna start with the old one first, which is gonna be on the left side, and then we're gonna finish it off with the new one. We're gonna put it on the same speed, so that way they are matched up. Now keep in mind, the older one has been put through its paces and it is showing a little bit signs of being tired, but it should be able to keep up. This is the old one. We're gonna use the same bit on the old one, on the new one, so you can compare yourself. Here we go. Now the new one. Same bit, a lot quicker, goes right through that cinder block with no issues. So let's now try a paddle bit. We'll start out with the old one first, and then we'll go to the new one. Ready? Now let's try the new one. And it just eats up that 2x4. So now let's try a drill bit inside the impact gun, old one first. Fairly quick. And here's the new one. Now, for those of you that say the battery might be dying on the old one, you're able to swap it and you can put the new battery on, and we can see it also in action. "15 years old compared to brand new. This old one is still up to par. Maybe you just have to update the actual battery to give it enough juice to keep on working. But the nice thing about it is, doing these two tests, I could see for myself that the new one just feels a lot smoother and there's a little bit more torque and grip when you are drilling into a 2x4. This kit comes with a charger. As I mentioned before, it comes with 2 batteries, which is great, so you don't have to swap between the 2. And it also comes with the handle that you could simply slide onto the hammer drill, and it's gonna allow you to give you some more leverage when you are going through a cinder block wall or a piece of concrete or whatever you're trying to drill into, and you don't want that torque to hurt your hand. This is gonna give you that leverage that you need to handle it and get through whatever material you're using the hammer drill on. And the bonus is, right on the bottom, you do have this adapter where you could turn on a small flashlight, and it has 2 different modes depending on how bright you need it. And then you could position this in a certain angle to make sure that it is illuminating whatever you are screwing into the wall or drilling. But if you didn't need it on at all times, you could just turn it off and you could still use it without the flashlight coming on. The last thing, they do give you a bag, so that way you could keep everything in one place, and it stores away nicely inside your truck or just in your garage out of the way, ready to be used the next time you need a DeWalt tool to do the project. So I hope this answered any questions that you might have about the new XR 20V max DeWalt combo kit with the hammer drill and the impact driver. It's a great comparison utilizing the old ones to the new ones. I've been using DeWalt tools well over 20 years now, and I've had no issues in using the DeWalt tools in the construction field. I hope this video broke down the differences between an older model and the newer model. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you are somebody that's on the fence and is not sure if they should upgrade their old models to the new models, I'd say go right ahead and do so. I'm gonna leave the link below and show you where you could find them yourselves. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I do appreciate every single one of you taking your time to watch what I had to film today. And as always, guys, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.